Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by enabling the Wi-Fi adapter on your device and locating the SSID you want. Once done, open the Wi-Fi panel and scan for networks. Make sure you recognize the correct SSID and not a similar name. If the network is hidden, select Add Network and enter the SSID exactly. If prompted for security type, choose WPA2 or WPA3 for home networks. If you have WPS, press the router's WPS button now and prepare to accept on the device. Now you'll authenticate and set configuration options. Enter the Wi-Fi password slowly and use the show option to confirm characters. Mistyped passwords are the most common failure. Next, check IP settings. Leave DHCP for most users, but choose static if your network requires a specific IP and enter gateway, mask, and DNS manually. If a captive portal appears, open a browser to complete registration. Make sure you accept terms. Finally, test basic connectivity by pinging or opening a web page. Finish by confirming a stable connection and saving any manual settings so they persist. Once connected, run a speed test and move closer if signal is weak. Consider changing router channel to reduce interference. If connection fails, forget the SSID and reconnect, reboot the router and device, and double-check the password and security type. A key troubleshooting tip: verify MAC filtering or captive portal limitations on the router. If enabled, add your device MAC or complete portal login to restore access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.